In this step-by-step video tutorial we are going to replace the webcam module. What do you need? A container to put the screws in, a screwdriver, and a spudger. The first step is to take out all the screws. Make sure there is soft material under the laptop so you prevent scratches. Take the spudger and put it between the bottom case and the hinge. Gently apply pressure on the hinge. Do the same on the other side. You can carefully lift up the bottom case. Disconnect the cable. Grab your opening tool and put it between the chassis. Make some space so you can easily access the camera module. Remove the camera module using the spudger as shown. Install the new camera module the same way as you took the old one out. Reconnect the camera cable. Place back the bottom case. Make sure you position the D cover properly. And now it's a matter of putting the screws back in place.